I cannot wait to give these metallic paint pens by Artistro a try. I love pens and markers. I use them for sketching, drawing on paper, but I also like to doodle with glass, metal, plastic, rocks. So let's see how these look. You get a nice variety of 12 colors. They are medium tip, 3mm. Let's see. I'm not sure if we need to shake these. It doesn't seem like we do. Let's give these a try. Ooh. Okay, they write really, really nicely. I do not see any metallic in that color though. Let's try a different color. Let's see. You can see a little bit of a shimmer. I would say it's more like a pearl than a metallic. Oh, now the silver does look metallic. The silver, you can see, looks more metallic. Here we go. Let's see about the gold. Yeah, the gold looks a little bit more metallic. Let's try some of these other colors. I mean, the colors are beautiful and they go on really nice. I like how they write. Oh, and when you move the paper with the blue, that blue shade, you can see like a shimmer to it. So, okay, I can see where that one would be metallic. Let's see. But they are all supposed to be metallic. These are a nice set of markers, but I really don't see a lot of metallic to it, to be honest. On a dark color, let's try it on black. And I'm just doodling. You can see a little bit of a shimmer. I don't know that I would really call that metallic. Let's try some of the other colors. Now see, that one is difficult to see on black. I can't really say that I see a lot of metallic on these so far. That is a blue. These write really nicely. I love how they write. However, I really do not see how they are really metallic. Now that one you can see, that one definitely shows up on black. I wouldn't say that it's necessarily metallic though. But I do like how these write, and I do like the colors.